In this video, we will look at another lead code problem which calls maximum subarray. So the question is given an integer array nums and find the subarray with the largest term and return its sum. So here is array nums -2, 1, -3, 4, -1, 2, 1, -5 and 4. So this is the complete array and this is the subarray. Subarray is just part of complete array. Okay, so the subarray 4 minus 1 2 and 1 has the largest sum 6, like 4 minus 1 2 and 1 1 cancel and 4 and add 2, which is sum of subarray is 6. Okay, so jump in another 4 minus 4 to 1 4 to 1. So here is my subarray. This subarray 4 minus 1 2 and 1 each sum equals to is equals to 6. So solutions can have multiple. Okay. So I can start from I and j, and these elements are n, and it can be from 0 to 0 and 0 to 1 and uh, number of n. And similarly it can start from 1 also or 2 also and number of n. So here is possibilities I and j, 0 to n, 1 to n minus 1, this one, and 2 to n minus 2. So and we can start from like fn, which is the simplest solutions. I equals to 0 to n minus 1 to n minus 1 and j equals to I to n minus 1 and find the sum of, which is sum of array. This one, the sum sum array Just I and number of elements. Equals to and if more than existing, then what we can, if s max with new sum, then it will return max with new sum. S max, this one new sum. S, this one new sum. Okay, then it will return max, return mx. So let's jump on code. So if there is no element, uh, if dot size empty array, then 0 0 sum max is equals to nums int sum including current, sum including the current, 0 for int and nums sum including current equals to max sum including current plus 1 plus n comma n, and sum max sum max the sum including currents. And return sum max, return sum max. wrong answer. So okay, I got it. Here I'm returning an int n, which is I need to start from I equals to 1. The I nums dot size size. So int n equals to n nums of I, n equals to nums. Let's run it. But I got another error. Here is a missing I. This is accepted.